Let us try to solve these problems. A laser beam is aimed 15.95 degrees above the horizon, at a mirror 11,648 meters away. So it glances off the mirror and continues for an additional 85 centimeters at 11.44 degrees above the horizon until it hits a target. What is its resultant displacement of the beam to the target? So, based on your solution, I have noticed that all of you use the formula of your component method. Therefore, I will not tackle that solution. So, the purpose of this is that I will give you a better and faster solution in solving this problem. So, a laser is a 15.95 degrees. In every solution, our first step, if it is not a board exam problem, is to draw the diagram, because you can never analyze anything if you do not know the diagram. Okay, so let's say this is our horizon, and then our laser beam is 15.95 degrees. Okay, don't mind the angle. I will just draw a 15.95 degree angle. 15.95 degree. So let's say this will be a 15.95 degree. Then 8570 meter. Okay. So this is 15.95 degrees at 11,648 meters, and then another displacement, because according to the problem there is a mirror. So this mirror will cause an angle of 11.44 degrees at a displacement of 8,570. Okay, 11.44 at a displacement of 8,570. Okay, let us use this pen. Okay, parang wala lang, no? So i-exaggerate natin ng konti. Okay, this is the mirror and this is your target. Take that it has an displacement of 8,570 meters at an angle of 11.44 degrees. So ang tinatanong is yung displacement ng resultant. So we will get the target. Okay, so how will we do that? By simply connecting it from our initial position to our final position. This is our initial position and this is our final position. Okay, yan. So mag-change tayo ng pen color para mas makita nyo. Okay, this is our displacement. So how we do that? So by simply manipulation or by simply analysis of the problem is very easy. Just click some calculator. So we have, well, know that we are getting the vector d, let's say dr for this, and then our d1 is equal to our d vector 1 plus our vector 2 plus d2. Okay, you should have taken notice that our vector 1 is simply equal to 11,648 angle of 15.95 degrees plus our angle 2, which is equal to 8,570 angle of 11.44 degrees, right? So we'll have a value equal to 11,648 shift angle of 15.95 plus 8,570 shift angle of 11.44. you will have a value equal to 19,599.31311 plus 49.6396i. So this will be our y and this will be our x. Okay, solving for your dr, we have getting the square root x squared plus y squared, but simply using your calculator we will get its dr and angle theta. You can see that using yung shift 2 3 natin, makuha mong sagot is 20,202.706 angle of 14.038 degrees. But particularly based on our notation in our LMS, ang gusto natin kunin is yung displacement in kilometers. Okay, so therefore we will have a value equal to 20.20 angle of 14.04. This is our dr, this is the magnitude, and this is the angle. Okay, so using my calculator, so I will show you my calculator kung ano yung in-input ko dyan. Okay, so take note, dapat naka-complex kayo kahit nang nasa 991ES ang ginagamit nyo, dapat naka-complex kayo. So ang gagawin natin, i-input nyo lang yung mga nandun. We have 11,648 shift angle of 15.95 plus 8,570 shift angle of 11.44 shift angle of 11.44. So we'll have this value. Okay, this is your summation of f of x and summation of dx and summation of y. So pag gusto yung kunin yung angle niya, so shift 2 3. Okay, so we'll have a value equal to 20,202.7632.09838 angle of 14.038. But take note, yung nasa notation ko is get for the value of the first two decimal points. Okay, next. So that is our answer. So 20.20 kilometers. Take note, dapat walang space to. Okay, next, halos parehas lang din to. A mountain climbing expedition establishes a base camp on two intermediate camps A and B. Camp A is 11,200 meters east and of 3,000 meters above the base camp. So Camp B is 8,400 meters east of and 1,700 meters higher than Camp A. So 8,400 meters east of A and 1,700 meters higher. So determine the displacement between this camp and Camp B. So displacement between between the base camp and Camp B. So how will we solve this one? So ang maganda sa problems dito is that given na yung x and y coordinate mo. So bale, sabihin natin ito yung base camp mo, our base camp. Tapos napunta tayo ng is na 3,200 meters, di ba? Pang practice problem lang talaga. So 3,200 3,200 11,200 meters east of your base camp. So ito yan. Okay, and then 8,400 meters of A. Okay. So take note na yung A natin is 3,200 meter above the base camp. So 3,200 meter the base camp, and then yung B natin is 1,700 meter higher than camp A. So 1,700 yan. Okay? So ang papansin nyo, napakadali nito, di ba? So we have our first base, which is 11,200 meters east. 11,200 meters east and 8,400 meters east of A. Okay, this is our A and this is our B, right? So our A has above the horizon of 3,200 meters, and our B is 1,700 meters higher than A. Okay? So ang tinatanong niya is the displacement. Mapapansin nyo, pag tinanong yung displacement, no? So wala nang isip-isip yan, di ba? Gagawa ka na agad ng line from your base camp to the B. Di ba? Yan. Ito na yun. So mapapansin mo, ito yung angle A natin at point A at point B. So dalawang vector sila. But particularly, you can solve it immediately because the X and Y component are given. The X and Y component, the first vector is 11,200 and 3,200. The X and Y component of your A to B is just 8,400 plus 11,200 and 3,200 plus 1,700. Okay? So the X component of your AB is 8,400 and its Y component is just equal to 1,700. Okay? So getting the sum of these two vectors, you can get the value of your displacement. Let's say OB. DOB is just equal to the summation of f of dx squared plus dy squared. So take note that your dx is already equal to 11,200 plus 84. Na-breakdown na dati yung vector nyo, di ba? Squared. So kailangan natin kunin yung square root niyan. Okay? Kasi si Pythagorean yung kukunin natin eh. Plus yung component nyo ng y, di ba? 1,700 plus 3,200. 17 plus 32 squared. Okay? So, anong kukunin natin displacement niya? So, makukuha natin yung displacement mo, which is basically equal to square root of 11,200 squared plus square root of close and open parenthesis 11,200 plus 8,400 squared plus 1,700 plus 3,200 squared. Okay? So, you'll have a value equal to 20,203 20,203.21757 or approximately equal to 20.2 kilometers. Tama? How about the angle? So, solving for angle, this is your theta. Okay? So, paano natin solve yung theta mo? Tan theta is equal to summation of y divided by the summation of your x. Tama? So we have tan theta is equal to summation of dy, which is basically equal to 1,700 plus 32 all over 11,200 plus 84, or your theta therefore is equal to arctan arctan 17 plus 32, which is equal to 49, divided by 11.2 plus 84, which is equal to 19,600. So yung arctan yan is basically equal to shift tan. Sa calculus nyo, kung makikita nyo is tan inverse. Okay? Tan inverse 4,900 all over 19,600. So, meron kang angle theta. So, yung theta natin is equal to 14.036. Pero yung i-accept ko sagot is 14.04. Kasi nga rounding up, diba? So, therefore, the answer must be 20.2 angle of 14.04 kilometers. Okay?